Welcome back to our channel, your trusted destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're revisiting an icon, the X-Van Lifestyle MPV, a name that resonates with rugged reliability and versatility. While Tata Motors hasn't officially unveiled a 2026 model, let's imagine what a modern reincarnation of the X-Van Lifestyle MPV might look like. Inspired by its legendary legacy, the 2026 X-Van Lifestyle MPV could stay true to its roots, offering a robust and practical design, suited for both urban environments and tough terrains. Imagine it powered by a 2.0-liter diesel engine delivering around 170 horsepower and 350 newton-meters of torque, mated to a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. A 4x4 drivetrain could make a comeback, ensuring the X-Van Lifestyle MPV retains its off-road prowess, complemented by a modern suspension system for improved ride comfort. On the outside, the updated X-Van Lifestyle MPV might feature a contemporary yet utilitarian design. A bold front grille, LED headlamps, and flared wheel arches could give it a commanding presence. Durable body cladding and skid plates would emphasize its rugged character, while stylish alloy wheels and a high ground clearance enhance its capability and aesthetics. Inside, the 2026 X-Van Lifestyle MPV could evolve to cater to modern sensibilities. A spacious cabin with seating for up to 9 passengers in a 3-row layout would maintain its practicality. Premium upholstery, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and advanced climate control could bring luxury and convenience into the mix. Ample cargo space and multiple storage compartments would ensure it remains a family-friendly vehicle. In terms of safety, the imagined X-Van Lifestyle MPV could come equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and hill hold assist. Advanced features like a 360-degree camera, electronic stability program ESP, and a tire pressure monitoring system would elevate its safety quotient. If Tata Motors brings back the X-Van Lifestyle MPV for 2026, it could be positioned as a reliable and affordable SUV for both personal and commercial use, with options for customization to suit varied needs. Whether used as a family hauler, a people mover, or an adventure companion, the X-Van Lifestyle MPV would carry forward its legacy of being a true workhorse. Stay tuned to our channel for more exciting automotive updates. The X-Van Lifestyle MPV might be a name from the past, but its spirit of durability and adaptability continues to inspire the future of SUVs.